Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Auto Backwash Lube Oil Filter Control Unit. Lube oil, the lifeblood of any marine engine, must be kept scrupulously clean to prevent wear and tear on critical components like bearings and piston rings. Filters handle this job, but constantly changing filter elements is time-consuming and messy. That's where the automated system steps in. The Auto Backwash filter is a specialized continuous filtration system designed to manage large volumes of lube oil while self-cleaning. The control unit is the brain that orchestrates this entire process. Its main objective is simple: maintain the cleanest oil possible with zero human intervention and zero interruption to the oil flow. The process starts with the differential pressure across the filter elements as contaminants accumulate on the filter screen. Trapping carbon, metal wear particles, and sludge, the resistance to the oil flow increases. This rise in resistance causes the pressure before the filter to become significantly higher than the pressure after it. The control unit continuously monitors this pressure difference. When the differential pressure reaches a preset threshold, say 1.5 bar, the control unit knows the filter needs cleaning. It then initiates the backwash sequence. This is where the magic of automation happens. The unit doesn't shut down the entire filter. Instead, it isolates just one of the many filter elements within the housing. It then introduces a blast of compressed air or a pulse of clean oil in reverse through the isolated element. This reverse flow, the backwash, blasts the trapped contaminants off the filter screen. This dirty oil and debris are collected and sent to a dedicated sludge tank or incinerator tank. The control unit then closes the valves to that single cleaned element and moves on to the next one, cleaning them sequentially until all elements have been serviced. This entire sequence is performed automatically while the rest of the filter elements continue to handle the main oil flow to the engine, ensuring a continuous, uninterrupted supply of clean oil. The unit logs these cleaning cycles, provides alarms for malfunctions, and ensures the oil remains free of damaging particulates. The reliability of the auto backwash system, orchestrated by the control unit, is paramount. It protects the multi-million-dollar engine by ensuring the quality of its lubricating oil 24/7, making manual cleaning a thing of the past and dramatically improving the overall operational efficiency and safety of the ship's engine room. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.